Hi YouTube family, welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, thank you for picking me and I do hope you stay. If you are a returning subscriber, hi, I'm Tando Mkosi. Thank you for showing me love. Again, let's get straight to the video. Hope you enjoy. Bathandi bomgosi, Mushe, Ndiki and Musa Khawula, they were involved in a physical fight. This comes after Musa Khawula tweeted the following tweet about Mushe, saying, Mushe Ndiki welcomes his new dog, Sulizinyembezi Ndiki. This comes after his husband, Pelobala, left their rental apartment. Mushe Ndiki has since decided to be a dog daddy. He also can't act, can he? Well, Bathandi bomgosi, it looks like Mushe Ndiki got tired of Khawula's outrageous tweets. Musa Khawula explains that they were in the same room but sitting separately when Mushe attacked him from behind. Musa Khawula then created a petition to remove Mushe Ndiki from Gomorrah, stating that Mushe is a criminal. Well, Bathandi bomgosi, as Peli Mzansi, please watch the following videos.
All I'm saying to you is better unye ngilungiqala masimba wena unyoka mamako zanibetha ninye nonke. Thank you so much. Bye.
Uye
urequesting
hayi wena
Mushe
yo
Umushe lo walapha eMonti. Mushe.
yayila rubbish yalapha eMont
Yo, hayi Chomi
wangenzani
askies.
Chomi
Hayi ba ukubethela
wangisileya
ntoni?
uvele wafika Chomi wathi bothini ngami. I'm like
Yo.
I'm like hayibo kenzakalani. Before I could get my thoughts together, there am I on the floor Chomi angishaya ngamasibhakela wakhe. Wah. And then I fell. Oh my